Hello students, welcome to English grammar lesson. Today's topic is the past continuous tense. Let's proceed towards it. Yes, when we are talking about the past continuous tense, the first question arises that where we use past continuous tense in the sentences or in the English. So the first we are going to discuss about the uses of the past continuous tense. First use is past continuous tense is used to express an action that was happening in the past at the time of speaking. Means the time of the action may or may not be mentioned. Some examples are given. Let's go through it. The old lady was crying at the top of her voice. They were not making a noise. In these sentences, time of action is not mentioned, but these actions were happened in the past. Second use is the use of this sentence with simple past tense denotes that the previous action was going on when the later action took place. For example, my mother was cooking the food when I reached home. Here we are using simple past tense and it denotes that the previous action was going on when the later action took place. In the previous videos of tenses, we have noted some of the patterns for making each type of sentence. In this also, we will go through with some of the patterns for making positive, negative and interrogative sentence. So first, let's discuss about the positive sentence. How to make positive sentence in past continuous tense. The pattern is subject plus was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing with that verb plus object. This is the pattern for making positive sentences. In this sentence, we use was and were according to the subject. If our subject is singular, we use was. If our subject is plural, we use were. For example, I was running. You, we, they. These are the plural subjects. That's why we are using were running. He, she was running. In this sentence, he, she are singular subjects. That's why we are using was. Ratna was running. Ratna is a singular subject. That's why we are using was here. And we are adding ing with the verb that is run in this sentence. Now for making negative sentences, we simply follow this pattern. That is subject plus wasn't or weren't plus first form of the verb with ing plus object. For example, I was not or wasn't running. You, we, they were not running. He, she was not running. Ratna was not running. In the negative sentences, we simply add not with the helping verbs and it makes the sentences negative. Now let's come to the interrogative sentences. We simply follow this pattern, that is was or were plus subject plus first form of the verb with ing plus object and question mark in the end. Examples are was I running, were you, we, they running, was he, she running, was Ratna running. In interrogative sentences, first we use helping verb, after that we add subject and after that we add verb with ing and object and at the end we put question mark. It makes the sentence interrogative. Now on the basis of your understanding of this video, I have arranged one of the practice exercise for you in which I am going to ask some of the sentences. You have to change that sentences according to the pattern which is given in the bracket. First sentence is, when he saw Ramesh in the library, he returned his books. In this sentence, you have to change it into positive form and use the verb which is given in the bracket. Second sentence is, Vishal was living in Kolkata in July last year. Change this sentence into negative form. Number 3, at 4 o'clock yesterday, we were all drinking tea. You have to make this sentence into negative form. Number 4, Ruchi and Ruby were cooking in the kitchen. Change this sentence into question form. We were going to the market. This is the 5th sentence. Change this sentence into question form. As we have already discussed some of the patterns for making positive, negative and interrogative sentences, those patterns helps you to change these sentences into these forms. Yes, here I am with the solutions. So check your answers. Our first sentence was, when he saw Ramesh in the library, he returned his book. You have to change it into positive. So the answer is, when he saw Ramesh in the library, he was returning his books. Second sentence was, Vishal was living in Kolkata in July last year. We have to change it into negative. So the answer is, Vishal was not living in Kolkata in July last year. Third sentence was, at 4 o'clock yesterday, we were all drinking tea. We have to change it in negative sentence. So the answer is, at 4 o'clock yesterday, we were not all drinking tea. Sentence number 4 was, Ruchi and Ruby were cooking in the kitchen. We have to change it into the question. So the answer is, were Ruchi and Ruby cooking in the kitchen? Number 5th sentence, we were going to the market. This also we have to change it into question. So the answer of the sentence is, were we going to the market? I hope you all have done well. Your all answers were correct, I think. So that's very nice. That's all for today. If you have any query related to this topic, feel free to ask. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.